the AI world just flipped on its head. Say goodbye to ChatGPT and hello to DeepSeek V3, the new record breaker that's taking the internet by storm. ChatGPT, king of AI tools presently, with over 200 million weekly active users worldwide, about to be dethroned as the king of AI tools by a new AI model called DeepSeek V3. Hold on to your seats because today, we're diving into the tech marvel that has everyone asking, is this the future of artificial intelligence, or is it too good to be true? On the 26th of December 2024, a Chinese AI lab announced a new AI model called DeepSeek, and since then it has been known for its impressive performance. This AI tool has a staggering 671 billion parameters, and it has been trained on an impressive 14.8 trillion tokens, positioning it as a serious contender to most AI tools. ChatGPT, as we all know, took over $2.5 billion to train this model on the most advanced, very powerful, and expensive NVIDIA H100
Here's why
GPUs.
it matters. It took Google and OpenAI years and billions of dollars to build the latest AI large language model.
But for DeepSeek, it took just $5.5 million. DeepSeek, on the other hand, was able to train the model on NVIDIA H800 GPUs, a much cheaper, less powerful GPU, in just around 2 months. This is due to U.S. Department of Commerce imposing several embargoes and export sanctions on NVIDIA GPUs to China. For DeepSeek, it took just $5.5 million, a mere fraction of the development cost of models like OpenAI's GPT-4. Perhaps most surprising is that DeepSeek V3 is completely open source and free. Yes, free if you are using the chat website. The API access, however, is at a cost which is incredibly competitive in pricing, about 10 times lower than any competitor. With this pricing, it is positioned to be the go-to solution for anyone seeking cutting-edge AI without breaking the bank. But here's the jaw-dropper. DeepSeek V3 processes data 50% faster than any existing model, including ChatGPT. And it doesn't stop there. This AI claims to understand context so well, it's rewriting how we think about communication. Let's unpack it all. First, let's talk speed. DeepSeek V3 can analyze 1.5 billion parameters per second. That's nearly double ChatGPT's capabilities. Imagine writing an entire novel in under 5 minutes. That's the level of productivity this AI is claiming. And it's not just speed. DeepSeek V3 also boasts an unparalleled 95% accuracy in understanding ambiguous prompts. Ever typed something into an AI and got a frustratingly irrelevant answer? Well, that might be a thing of the past. Here's the secret sauce. DeepSeek V3 uses what they're calling cognitive layering. It's an advanced architecture that mimics how human brains process complex information. Sounds fancy, right? Let's break it down. Picture this. You're at a crowded party. You hear your name from across the room, and your brain instantly hones in on that conversation. DeepSeek V3 replicates this focus. It filters out irrelevant data and locks onto the context you actually care about. And the results? Stunning. Early testers say it's like talking to a colleague who already knows your entire workflow. One user even said, "It's so good, it's spooky." But let's be real. ChatGPT didn't dominate the AI world for nothing. It's reliable, intuitive, and most importantly, widely trusted. So is DeepSeek V3 truly better? The training data of AI models plays a significant role in determining their capabilities. While specific details about DeepSeek's training data remain less public, it is evident that coding forms a substantial part of its focus. This specialization explains its exceptional performance in coding-related tasks. On the other hand, OpenAI has been more transparent about the training of GPT models. These models are trained on an extensive dataset comprising a vast amount of text and code sourced from the internet. This broad and diverse training enables ChatGPT to still hold ground in areas like conversational tone and widespread integration. No breakthrough technology comes without its challenges, and DeepSeek V3 is no exception. For starters, initial reports suggested that DeepSeek sometimes misidentifies itself as OpenAI product. However, I tested this claim by asking DeepSeek its identity, and it answered correctly. This earlier claimed issue highlights potential challenges related to training data contamination and model identity. This might have been due to the fact that part of DeepSeek model data were those of OpenAI during the open source development. This underscores the complexities involved in training large-scale AI systems. Now, let's not forget the major downside: political restrictions. The model's political views are a bit stilted. For example, you won't get answers about Tiananmen Square, Xi Jinping, and the geopolitical implications of China invading Taiwan. ChatGPT, on the other hand, answered the question. This highlights the challenges of balancing performance with the need for neutrality and sensitivity in AI systems, especially when dealing with politically sensitive topics. DeepSeek, being a Chinese company, is subject to benchmarking by China's internet regulator to ensure its model's responses embody core socialist values. As a result, many Chinese AI systems decline to respond to topics that might raise the ire of regulators. There's growing concern about whether such models, especially those subject to government regulation like DeepSeek, will be accepted in countries such as the USA, where different ethical standards and political sensitivities exist. And let's not forget privacy. DeepSeek V3's powerful contextual understanding relies on processing massive amounts of user data. This raises concern for some users about how that data is stored and used. Are we trading convenience for security? Can we trust our personal data with the Chinese? These are concerns that are not yet clear whether they are baseless or real. Here's where things get a bit controversial. Some critics argue that DeepSeek V3's processing power could lead to over-reliance on AI. Others worry about ethical concerns. If an AI can predict your needs before you express them, what happens to your privacy? As we've seen, the fear of AI has grown over the years. Many worry about it replacing jobs, making critical decisions, or even controlling aspects of our lives. Dr. Elena Morris, an AI ethicist, warns, with great power comes great responsibility. Companies must ensure these tools are used ethically. And let's not forget, we've seen what happens when technology outpaces regulation. Still, it's hard not to marvel at the possibilities. Education, healthcare, even space exploration. AI is here to enhance our workflow, not to replace us. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can elevate our productivity, foster creativity, and help us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. So, what do you think? Is DeepSeek V3 the beginning of a new era, or just another overhyped innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this video intriguing, smash that like button, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more breaking tech stories, because the future is coming fast, and you don't want to miss it.